Hello and welcome to PNG TechHub. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a laptop that powers on but shows no display. This is a common issue and can be often fixed with a few simple steps. Let's begin. Step 1. Disconnect power and external devices. First, disconnect the laptop from the charger and remove the battery if it's removable. Also unplug any USB drives, external mouse or keyboard. This ensures there's no interference from faulty peripherals. Now, let us confirm if this Dell laptop model Latitude 3450 Windows 10 Pro has a display issue. We will do this by turning it on without the charger connected. Then we'll try again connecting with the charger. If the screen doesn't show any sign of life, we'll move on with the simple steps. So let's confirm now and continue. The screen seems like it's not responding. Let's move on to step number 2. Perform a hard reset. Hold down the power button for 15 to 30 seconds. This drains any remaining power and resets the motherboard. Now, reconnect the power and turn on the laptop. If the screen stays black, move to the next step. Step 3. Connect to an external monitor. If the laptop still has no display, connect it to an external monitor using HDMI or VGA cable. If the external monitor shows a display, your laptop screen or backlight might be faulty. You may need to replace the screen panel. Now there's a sign of life. However, the screen comes on with a beeping sound and suddenly goes off with a black screen. This indicates that it is a hardware issue. So let's continue troubleshooting. Step 4. Check and reset the RAM. RAM issues are one of the most common causes of no display. Open the back panel and carefully remove the RAM stick. Clean the golden contents gently with a soft cloth or eraser. Reset the RAM firmly in the slot or try a different slot if available. Power on the laptop and check the screen. Now we have identified that the cause of the no display issue on this laptop was due to the RAM. After resetting the RAM, the issue was resolved, so there's no need to proceed further in this case. However, if resetting the RAM doesn't work for you, here are the next steps you can try. Continue further with step 5. Reset the BIOS or CMOS battery. This can help clear any misconfiguration settings that might be preventing the display from working. Step 6 would be diagnose the graphics chip or motherboard. If the issue still persists, the problem could be related to the GPU or the motherboard, and further hardware level diagnostics would be required. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you fix your laptop issue. If it did, please like the video, comment below your experience, and subscribe to our channel for more repair tutorials. For tech support in Port Moresby, contact PNG TechHub.